Welcome in the Apache Spark Tips, Tricks and Techniques course. My name is Tomasz Żelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am working in big data stack and have 4 years production experience in Apache Spark. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. We'll start from Apache Spark's tips, tricks, and techniques. Then we will be looking at the immutable design and what does it give us. Next, we will see how to avoid shuffle and reduce operational expense. We will see what a shuffle is and which operations of the Spark API should we use. Next, we will be saving data in the correct format. In section 5, we will go to the working with Spark Key Value API. Section 6 will be about testing Apache Spark jobs, and then finally in section 7 we will be leveraging Spark Graph X API. There are a couple prerequisites. First one is Scala and SBT installed. Also you should have IntelliJ IDE and a modern laptop or desktop computer. This course is for Apache Spark developers who want to learn some useful, interesting ways to further improve their Apache Spark skills for processing and analyzing a large amount of data in a much faster, unique and easy way. So first key feature is that you will be able to speed up your Spark jobs by reducing shuffles. This is very interesting and useful topic to understand. Then you will be leveraging Key Value API in your big data processing to make your jobs work faster with lower network traffic between executors, between nodes. Also, we'll be testing Spark jobs in the unit, integration and end-to-end way to make your data pipeline robust and bulletproof.